So there it is. Right there.
There is
The car vending machine. Hey guys, it's Happy. Happy by name and then got Austin in the back. Gonna pick up my car, my electric car. That they just called and said, yeah, well, we got it today and we put it on charge and it's only got 29 miles of range on it right now. I'm like, yeah, that's what I was warning you about.
Hopefully by the time we get there, it'll be up to 30.
Yeah, I know. Which leaves us about 10 short, I think. Well, actually, I'd rather have a little more than 10 because
Yeah.
we don't know how...
10 might get us out of the parking lot.
Yeah, we might have to go back around because... Oh, no, there's a
right
road here. Yeah.
It's too hairy. There's the Carvana vending machine. That is so cool.
Right. So I guess we just park. Yep.
To go live. Phone on this thing, so hopefully everybody can hear me.
I brought my
We'll find out in a
mechanics.
second.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Nice.
Nice to meet you.
So I brought my friends with me.
Hi, friends. How
are you?
I'm Allison.
One who happens to be a mechanic. So.
Good. Well, good. Perfect. Okay, so you're still parked out back because you're still plugged in charging.
Of
so
course.
we can walk around, check it out, and then we'll get started. Let me know if you have any questions along the way. Let me grab your key and then we can walk around.
So, this is the little consulting area. If you are an impulse purchaser like I am.
This is much easier than
So-
a regular car dealership, isn't it?
So what is this? So that they bring it up here for you to look at if you're trying to figure out which one's
There's a... I guess this is where we put the coin.
Yes. That is it.
You actually put a coin in and get your car.
Cool.
Good for your token Carvana car. Look at that, guys.
One token, good for your car.
Nice.
That's cool. Is this a little plastic
There you
one?
go. No, it's metal.
Oh, it is
Metal.
metal. It is
Great.
solid. It's got some weight to it.
So let's...
New way to buy a car.
And then
Drink, guys. So here we go.
So here we go. Zach is getting his car.
Ready?
Yeah, right. We'll check it out. I'll show you. You can see you're at like 37% now that you're charged. So you've got a little bit of juice
miles,
in there.
yay.
Yeah. And I have a gift card that I'll give to you. So if you take it somewhere, it'll cover your charging.
great.
costs.
Yeah,
So-
because I've already got the charging app, so I can see where
Oh,
everything is.
perfect. Okay,
I did
good.
a lot of research on it.
Good. And then you guys are more than welcome. I can unplug it if you do want to take it for a quick spin. You're more than welcome to. And then, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. The only thing that I want to make sure that you're aware of is there's an annotation on the front fender that shows the scrapes. Can you see that on?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to show you just to make sure that you're okay with it. 'Cause it's there.
Hello, Lucy. Hello.
Okay, who's got the keys?
I got the
I get
keys.
first drive.
Okay, he's got first drive. You want
Alrighty,
shotgun?
guys, I'll see you back
All
here.
right.
No,
he's
no,
taking
I'll sit in the
shotgun.
back.
He's got the better camera.
You get shotgun.
I am compact
Yeah, I could-
and travel size for your
Yeah.
convenience, so that means I get to go.
Okay. I don't know. But okay, so we are in this car and we
All
actually
right.
have more cameras than we got like.
Look at this. This
So
is great.
I guess our
I love
first
it. We have
so first thing is
we have the
key.
steady cam.
Well, if you
We have
notice
the
down here,
TomTom.
look at the stick shifter,
Oh, of course, push buttons. Yes.
push
Well,
buttons.
and,
So
you know,
I
Christ-
guess we.
If I'm not
turn it on.
mistaken, I think Chrysler bought Fiat or Fiat bought or whatever. So They're
Okay.
all, a lot of the Chryslers have that too.
So let's see. Okay.
So,
Air conditioning.
oh, air conditioning, very important.
Yes.
How do you know
I
it's
guess
running?
It's just on. I mean, there's no like starting it. It's you just turn the key. It says 30-mile range. Oh, and they got a little like.
See, we're in the Fiat electric car. This is the warm-up to a Tesla.
Yes, exactly. So if you look over here, you've got the little display. It shows 30 miles and air pressure and everything.
Okay.
So I mean, how do you adjust the wing mirrors? I don't see.
There should be right down there. That's your left.
Oh yeah, there you
left,
go.
right.
See, that's why you bring a mechanic with you.
That's what. See, this is where I make my money.
Yes, he's worth every penny. Legal.
And it's
oh,
so
I'm
funny
having to
because
sign
yes,
a legal notice here. It
just a
says.
couple pennies is all I get paid.
Yes. Hey, do you hear that? By the way,
What?
absolutely nothing from the engine.
Silence.
So
of
we
course.
hit drive.
So hit drive. Get your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Okay,
there we
we're
go.
in drive. Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Here we go. It's beginning. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hi, Ian. Hi, Ken.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's smooth.
This is smooth.
It's incredibly smooth and.
Except.
Okay,
oh,
I
wait.
don't need to do that.
I need to.
I keep forgetting about that.
I gotta figure out how to work this thing. Okay. I need it to go up,
Yeah.
not picture of the dash. Okay, that might have been a little too far. Okay. Now remember, I have no seatbelt, so don't kill me.
You come with your own airbag.
That's true. I do. I do. And let me tell you, folks, if you, I was in shape.
now.
I was in the Army, and I've seen the abs I've got. And if you had a six-pack this good, you'd protect it too.
Okay.
All right.
Now
just
let
saying.
us see if it does what you're meant to when I hit the.
Oh yeah, that's got some zoom.
Exactly.
Whoa,
Yeah.
electric
They are.
Fiat.
I know. That's the thing with electric cars.
It's just straight direct power. It's not,
Put
you
your
know.
foot- look at that.
There we go.
That's cool.
There's no hesitation, no
55.
throttle response.
Yeah, we were
it's
all
just
up to
bam.
60, just like that.
So
we now have 29 miles of range.
we've lost 1 mile going half. All right, rock on.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I should probably put my seatbelt on.
Yeah,
now,
because
right?
it's flashing with a little warning.
Oh, right, the stupid
Maybe
little
we
warning
turn
thing.
here.
Yeah,
Don't see why not.
this is why
Now we
Darwin
get to-
is rolling over
Now
in
we
his
get to
grave.
see the. Pretty. I mean, I think it's pretty roomy. What do you guys think? How about you, Austin, sitting in the bag? He's like, no.
He says, yeah, it's pretty roomy. What do you think?
Compact.
Huh?
It's compact.
It's compact. I like it. Yeah.
It's a two-person vehicle that's
Kinda,
not
yeah.
a two-person
But you
vehicle.
can always fit a couple twinks back here.
Yeah.
I might have to hand this off to Austin unless
Yeah.
you can work two hands here. Looking good. All right. Austin,
I think the sun is as good as
unless
well.
Zach
Yeah.
can handle it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, Zach's got the steady cam. He's rocking it.
Yeah.
We're good. Okay, so I get to try the Fiat 500e.
So you got to put
God,
in
I still
drive.
want to shift. My
Smooth.
zoom. Oh, that
Smooth,
is smooth,
isn't it?
That is really smooth.
No.
And immediate takeoff. I love it.
Damn.
See-
I know. It's like you
This
don't
is-
expect that from a little car, do you?
No.
What do we do while we're waiting for our cars to charge? We play frisbee.
We play horrible frisbee.
Bad frisbee. It's charging, so I can get home because they never charged it enough.
And the thunder rolls. Oh yeah.
Nice one.
Finally, the first catch. I think that was the first catch.
Okay, guys. So this is my little car, and first drive back from the dealership to here has been really good, and I really like it. A couple of things that I've noticed about it is that it is very quiet and very fast. So you're really surprised how fast these cars are. There's like no lag from when you put your foot on the accelerator to when it goes. I mean, it just goes. And it's a little sporty car, roomier than I expected. I didn't expect it to be quite as roomy as it is, but it's really good. and I like it. The only thing I've got to watch out for is I'm getting adjusted to the range, because coming back it didn't seem to be super accurate. It was about a 25-mile range back, 25 mile by GPS, and it said that I had 47 miles of charge, yet when I got back to the house we only had 13 miles left. So getting used to that. Charging seems to be faster than I expected. I charged it when I got back to the house, and it, with 13 miles left, it did not take 4 hours to charge, and that's a 40 amp level 2 charger. So yeah, excited. I've just paired my phone with it. I'm still understanding all the features of buttons. There's a little weird display here. It's like a little light bulb with an exclamation mark, which I need to take a photo of so I can ask people what the hell it is. So I'm in one of these forums, so I know. There's a plus and minus here. There's like 8 buttons on the front and 6 buttons on the back. So there's a lot of buttons on here, but I'm still figuring out what to do. There's a second monitor here. It's actually GPS, but it does more than GPS. It also integrates with the car and shows a lot of other features. So I'm going to play over the next few days, see how well it's gone. Now I had about 89 mile range earlier. I'm down to 81, and I've not gone that many miles, so it might be the type of driving I'm doing that adjusts it. So I'm just gonna have to get used to this. I'm going to be putting it on a slower charge tonight at my place, yeah, definitely going to be interesting getting used to it. I'm going to see how I play music and everything on here through the Bluetooth system, whether